Hey everyone, we're here with HMD Global at Mobile World Congress, checking out the Nokia 7 Plus. And what's unique about this phone is that they have this ceramic coating on the back. That's why they don't have antenna lines anywhere on the phone, because they're boosting the signal strength using that ceramic coating, and the bands are sort of underneath there. But it's very well designed. It feels great. This is a matte finish right here. Of course, you have that dual camera sensor over there, fingerprint sensor, and this really nice copper finish ring around the camera, as well as on that Nokia logo, and as well across the metal frame around the phone. It's a Type-C port at the bottom. And in general, it looks really nice. It kind of almost reminds me of a Pixel with these rounded edges here, the Pixel 2 XL specifically. But as you can see, the software is stock Android. It's running Android 1. A lot of Nokia phones are now just going to be running Android 1, so that you're getting faster updates and a near stock experience with basically no bloatware. And you're constantly going to get those security updates as well. So this is exactly, almost the same interface as you can see on the Google Pixel and other stock Android phones. But there are some interesting, unique additions that Nokia had, specifically in the camera, because they're using Zeiss lens here. And specifically, one of these is a telephoto lens. That's, I believe, 13 megapixels, and the top one is 12 megapixels, and it's a wide angle. So let's quickly see. This is the Pro mode that's coming over into all Zeiss optic cameras on all Nokia phones. So basically, it's just giving you the opportunity to change ISO, aperture, and all those things. Now, I believe if you go to the normal photo mode, you can have access to that 2x optical zoom. And of course, the thing that Nokia says they pioneered is this dual Bothy camera. And you're going to see me in a second. So that's me, hello, on the bottom. Basically, you're taking photos with the front camera and the rear camera at the same time. You can see that it's almost no shutter, like it's taking those photos really quickly. And the quality is pretty solid from our initial impressions. So, very interesting phone. Some of those other specs, it's 6-inch screen right here, full HD plus with that 18:9 display, which is why you have those minimized bezels on the top and bottom. 3,000 milliamp hour battery inside, so it should give you a 2-day battery life. That's what Nokia is claiming. And it's powered by Snapdragon 660, which is, isn't the strongest performing chipset. That's the Snapdragon 845, but this is a good mid-range phone, and for that reason it has that mid-range price. It's 400 euros, I believe, and it's going to be available April 2018.